right, here we go. Now let's write our date at the top like we did yesterday, right beside of our name. 10 dash 2. Today's the 2nd. Dash 20. Pencils up high in the sky when you have those. All right, go ahead and circle. Look at what sound we've been working on. Who is this one right here? Who's that character? Perla Porcupine. What letter does she show us? P. What's our sound card? Pencil. So, listening. In this box, you have to circle all the uppercase and all the lowercase. Say the sound. Okay, ready? Pencils high in the sky when you find all of them and circle them. Good. Keep going. I hear lots of P sounds. You say them too. I see some pencils high in the sky. I know those people are ready. Still waiting on just a few people. Awesome, good job. Now, guys, today, in this, and right over here on these lines, today it's kind of like a little test or a quiz. I'm not going to write the sound for you. Where can you look if you need help? You can look at our animal alpha friends, or you can look at the sound card. But today, I'm not going to show you. It's kind of like a little quiz, just to show what you know. All right? If you don't know one, skip it and go to the next one. All right? Number 1, listen to my sound. You say the sound, and then write the letters that go with it. Number 1. Oh, we're not shouting out. We're just writing it today. Just write it. Number 1. Write it. Give me a pencils in the sky. Shh. Shh. Waiting for pencils in the sky. Okay, number 2. Be my echo. Write it. Don't say it. Just write it. Write it on your paper. Will you use your hand to cover your answer so that other people don't take your work? Number 2. Quentin. Everybody turn around, facing front. Pencils high so I know you're ready. All right, number 3. Listen carefully. Be my echo. Write number 3, the letter for number 3. Shh. We're not talking. Use our friends up here if you need it. Knox. You okay? Alex, look up here if you need help. Cover your paper with your hand. Number 4. Are you ready? Be my echo. Write the letter. Write that letter. Turn around. You're doing your own writing. Do your own. Use your hand to cover. That way people will not take your work. They'll do their own work. Okay, if you don't know that one, skip it. Okay, remember we're just showing what we know. Number 5. Be my echo. Write it. We're on number 5. Nope. All right, number 5. Let's go to number 6. Be my echo. B. B. Write it. Write it. Pencils high when you finish. B. Alex, we're right here. Number 6. B. Pencils high so I know. Cover your paper so that everybody's doing their own thinking. You want everybody to do their own thinking. All right, number 7. Number 7, listen. D. What sound? D. No, what sound? What sound? D. Write it. Miss Jamie. Pencils high so I know you're finished. Thank you. Number 8. We've got 2 more. Number 8. Say my sound. Ah. Write it. Ah. Write it. I see lots of people using clues, our sound card, and our alpha friends. Good job. All right, number 9 is our last one. Number 9. Look at me. Write it. Pencils high so I know. All right, guys. Ready for number 7? It says, use the sounds to read and write the words. Use the sounds to write the words you hear. Number 7, let's read this word. What sound do you see first? No, what sound? S. Then what? Ah. Let's tap that on our arm. Ready? S. Put it together. What is it? Sam. Sam. Good job. Number 8. Look at this one. Let's do those sounds. What's the first sound you see? T. Then what? Ah. Let's put it on our arm. Ready? Tap it on our arm. We go. T. Put it together. Tam. Good job. Number 9. Look what sound is first. T. Ah. What's the last sound? I heard a few people. B. So we put it on our, let's do it on our arm. Tap it. T. B. T. Ab. T. Ab. What is it? Tab. Good job. Here's our last word to sound out. What's that one, Nina Newt? B. Do it on your arm if you need to. Ab. Nab. Nab. Good job. Number 11. We've got to listen to the sounds and write the words. Are you ready? Number 11. Say the word sap. Sap. Let's tap it on our arm. Sap. Sap. What was the first sound you heard? What letter goes with S? Which letter? That's the alpha friend. What letter does she show us? S. So we write S. Let's tap that word sap again. Let's see what the middle part is. Ah. Ah. Who's our alpha friend? Alligator. And, Miss Jamie, do you need this?
I can't see. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right, what letter goes with alligator? A. It's the sound ah, but the letter is A. Okay, we got to finish this word. Sap. Ready? Go. No. What word are we doing? Sap. What's the last sound? Sap. What letter? P for who? Who's our character? Perla Porcupine. Let's do one more together. Are you ready? Number 12. Say the word am. Am. Let's tap that word. What was the first sound you heard? Who's our character? Alligator. And what letter? A. Good. Write it. Am. So what's the next part? Let's tap it. Ready? Go. Who's our character that does Mika Malt. And what letter is she? M. That's the letter M. And we just wrote the word. What word? Am. All right, friends at home, you all finish those two on your own, and we'll finish here at school.